Alright guys, so we're down in Missouri at the Lake of the Ozarks. The campground we're staying at is not actually right on the Lake of the Ozarks. It's a private campground. There is a pond. It's a spot that I've been to before. We've got a little cabin down there that's pretty neat. The porch of the cabin sits out over the water, at least it did the last time we were there. Who knows, things could have changed. But we got a little bit of a ways down a gravel road here, and then we're going to get to the campground. It's a pretty nice spot. I think there is a pool there, although I don't know if I've ever seen it have water in it in the few times that I've been there. I think they had a miniature golf course. There's an island that you can camp on. It's tent only, but they have like RV lots and stuff down there. So we're gonna head down there. It's a lot nicer driving the truck down this road than it is trying to ride a motorcycle down this. There's a big hill right here. Probably doesn't look too big on camera, but it's rough. Like the campers that I've some of the campers that I've seen the people pulling down here, it just amazes me that they'll run them down this road as rough as it is, but it's also kind of surprising that they don't fix this road at all. But I imagine water runoff is not easy to manage right here. But it ain't, you know, it's not completely tiny. And our cabin's right over there in the corner. But we're gonna have to go register at the main office. And there's some water down there. This is areas where I've always slept when we brought the motorcycles down. We always camped right there, basically right where those people are at. But it goes back in the trees there. And then there's some tree houses back there you can also rent out. Up here. Get registered. Buy some firewood. Hopefully they have some. Yeah, the pool's actually open. Alright. Alright guys. We're gonna get registered and I'll see you guys over at the cabin. Works. Well, I mean, they're using a buoy as a doorstop. Loft area up here. Oh, you guys aren't gonna be able to see any of that. I'll lighten up it footage if I can. It's just a big loft area up here. You could throw multiple sleeping bags if you had kids. I'll have to get a better shot of this with the light, but there you go. You do it one-handed. All right, guys. So I'm gonna get the fire going. I was dumb and like I took all my camping stuff out of the truck, and that means I also took my fire starters out of the truck. But I do have my lighter with me, so I'm just gonna use the beer box and see if I can get this going. That firewood looks pretty good, but I don't have like a hatchet or anything with me to cut up any more kindling, so the cardboard is about all we've got. But it should work. And I was just talking to the owner. The owner of the park stopped by here, and he's from our area in Nebraska. They've been down here for a few years. He was telling me about some of the fish in the pond. There's actually some big catfish, and I don't know, you're not going to be able to see it on the GoPro, but there's standing timber out there, and there's a catfish rolling in there, and it's getting up to the surface. It's pretty shallow, about 2 feet, and you can see the tail of the catfish, and he's just kind of meandering in the water over there. And this is kind of moist cardboard, so it's not working very well. Need like dry grass. Hey.
Then you're gonna have to go find sticks.
Oh, shit, that might go. My knees. They're like right here. They just came up and we're like, what's up? Come here, buds. Come here. I can't believe how close they are. You gonna come over and say hi, buddy? You gonna come try to bite my fingers off? Well, now I feel like I should have some food for you. Dude, they're coming right up to me. It's probably gonna bite my hand. Uh-oh, here it comes. Can I touch you? That's crazy. You know better than that, huh? Look, he's like right up by our firewood. They're looking for drop food. Come here. Nibble on my finger. fog.
Yeah.
So, I won't blind you, but we're eating dinner. I just cooked up these are andouille sausage. I cooked them over the fire. I don't even know how the light's gonna look in here, but we don't have any internet service down here, and somehow my wife got a text from her sister that the channel just hit 1,000 subscribers. I don't know what the actual number is, but publicly it says 1K. So it's kind of a cool thing to hit. I don't even know what to say. It's dumb. I don't know why you guys want to watch me do this. It's awesome that you want to come watch me do this. I'm thoroughly enjoying it. I'm having an amazing, there's another text. I'm having an amazing night tonight. We're gonna get to eating. We've got these are Cajun andouille sausages that I just cooked over the fire. They were pre-cooked, so I just had to warm them up. We've got some more Walmart tater salad and pasta salad, and we've got some more sausages. We'll probably have another wiener, and then we're probably gonna get headed to bed. We're gonna sit around the fire or whatever, and then we're gonna head to bed. So I'm gonna close this video out here, and you shouldn't have told me yet. I don't know what to say now. I'm trying to like segue into eating these weenies, and I don't know what to say because I'm a bit flustered because see, and I'm getting dings too on my phone.
We're gonna eat and end the night here pretty soon.
Yeah.
Talk to you tomorrow.
Well, okay, it's just got 1K.
Who's that?
Hewlett and Eric. Yeah. Thanks, guys.